This is Midge. She is a beautiful cockatiel that the pond feather plan has taken in. Her owner was a very young woman moving out on her own for the first time and wasn't able to take Midge along, or couldn't take Midge along, or wasn't willing to take Midge along. So we happily took Midge in, and as you can see, she's very happy here. She gets out of her cage every single day, and she should be finding her forever home very, very soon. She's a really sweet, calm bird, very quiet for being a bird, unlike this bird. My bird, our bird, Waffle, he is quite noisy and involved in everything.